but you are doing the science or social science. But in futures, my opinion, AI, it will be not only AI, cloud computing, quantum computing, then artificial intelligence is not to be the research field because of even social media. You need not to particular social science professors. They will go to the prepare the questionnaire. They will go to the field. They collected data. But nowadays, in future, you have the data. Google, social media, with a lot of data. You can collect the data. You can big data also is here is the biggest matter in the features. Using the big data, you can collect all the data. There are a lot of tools also available. Now this is the tools actually. Jelly's AI, Numerous AI, Python AI, Double, Dole, Rabbit Miner, MATLAB, Statistics, all the tools are available. You see the tools. You can do the beautiful table, but actually writing is always, you have to write your own. That will help. But in this tools you have to learn is that is very much important. That's the reason I will do some outline about the tools, MATLAB, Statistics, Google Cloud. But 1 hour is not enough for me to explain to all the tools. But one or tools really helpful for me. We are doing some kind of research using the tools. This AI data analysis that works for you. You can go to enter data, connective data. Just you can ask it in plain English and get the insight in second. No coding required actually. Just you can go to the Genesis.ai, then you can give the data. After data, you ask the questions, the questions and answer will come. Don't copy paste it. You have to read it, then you can use your language. That is also really helpful for you. Then same like numerous, you can upload the Excel sheet. Whatever you can prepare the data, Excel sheet or science faculty, you are using the science lab, you can use some data. You always type the Excel, then you can upload it. You can upload the tools. This really also helpful, simplest and most powerful, cost-effective solution. Even using ChatGPT inside and Excel also available. Another one is Tableau. Tableau.com, this is for AI and Tableau. This is also, I hope many of them know that. I hope that some of the faculty also, they may explain to you Tableau. MATLAB is also, science faculty, they may use it actually. The Python AI labs also. Then Power Drill, TALK-3, IBM tools. Then AI powered search engines. This is for Microsoft Academic Graph. This it will make it the beautiful graphs that will be, you can do the data that will make it the graphs that will helpful for you. Then automated data collection. Automatically, this tool itself to collect the data. Just you can do the one area of research that will helpful for you. Using the social media, using the net, social media, scrapping, research data, research RSS feed, pricing sites, combined information, news sources, government organization. But can do the very area of research. This sometimes, after sometimes, they will give the data. This is Scrappy. These are the tools. Diffpot, October is beautiful. So these are the tools also really helpful for the collecting data. Yeah, these tools. Scrappy. This is why I put one tool. This is the excellent tools for, but this is social media and semantic analysis. 2P. This is for using the Twitter. The always analyzing data. For example, you can take it the keywords from the Twitter. Particular social science faculty, this is highly useful for you. What kind of series and for last, you can go under, you can check it the Twitter also. For example, after curve stamping. So how the is a TVK supporter and against supporter, that's also you can get it. Then social mention. Social mention means how that what type of you may share it, you may like it. That is a social mention. You may share it, you like it, the some of the commands. Which type of commands you like it? Which type of commands you do not like it? Not only per single person. It's a huge amount of data. Huge amount of, for example, 1 lakh people like it, this kind of information. 2 lakh people not like it, this kind of information. That kind of information will come in. So that this is what you have to write the article. So nowadays you do not do any research in the 500 data, 1000 data. They were asking the huge amount data based on the social media. You have to collect it. Then you can properly analyze. That will really helpful for you. This is social media sentiment analysis, brand badge. This is 2P, social mention, brand badge. These are tools are also available. Then IoT. This is a government data and Google Sheets. This is Survey Monkey. This is, I hope you know that Qualtrics. This kind of tools are also available. This is for Jotro. This is highly useful for the reference. When you are uh, when you are coming for writing the article, you may more than 148 reference tools also available. After uploading the article, you have to manually have type the just you can search it the article, then automatically Jutro give the reference. Then you have to connect your word to Jutro. Just simply one click it, one click just automatically connected. Then whatever article you is available in the Jutro, you have to click it, then automatically give the reference to that article. For example, when you are coming to the university or any IAC or AET, that time you can download all the article, then you can upload to the all the articles to Jutro, full text article. Then whenever you can come to your home also, just you can open the Jutro is free only. The login, you can log in, all the articles available, full text articles available here. So when you are writing the article, you can click the article, you can connect it. Then this also I need a lot of time to explain to Jipro. So that beautifully make it the reference. You see, it's same like that. Citation management, the Jipro, you can view the, you can type the ISBN number or title that will give the reference. EndNote also really helpful for you. EndNote click. So Synthesia, and this also turn text to video in minutes that they will be do some outline also. I hope you may Canva you are expect. Kinu.com, this support noten.com. This also really helpful for you for creating the content. LMS learning management system content. The same like that. So tools for okay. So collaborative networking tools. This for actually AI powered suggestive improved networking collaboration. Just you can give, for example, some tools I'm telling you. This is a research kit. I hope you may you are expert research kit overleaf. These tools, for example, if you are doing some research in the you are telling the plastics or microplastics, you can type the overlay if I'm doing the research in the microplastics. So many of the experts also available here. They are also come and join with you. They are also sharing ideas, sharing the articles. Even some kind sometimes they're willing to collaborate with you also, writing and managing research documents. This notation enhancing collaborative organizing, summarizing, sharing resources. So this is what the people doing actually. Most of the scientists they want to collaborate, so because of most of the faculties they don't want to collaborate, but actually you know that few articles, one highest citation article is a collaborative article only. More than 256 authors also collaborated in the single article. So this iFlow AI driven tool, collaborative writing, and this research cat, this overlife.com, you can view it. You can enter your name or your details and all, then you can give your area of research. They will come and collaborate. This is notation. Meet your cyflow.net. So ethical and bias analysis already explained to you. So I may go fast because of uh, now time is 7 o'clock sharply. So apart from the also few tools also available, open, refine, deep code. So if I explain, it will take more time. So that now is a time for question answer. Now I finish at 7 o'clock sharply, so that I give the time for. I want to spend more time for question answer, so that if you ask any questions related to the AI or plagiarism or downloading the articles, so I will explain you.
Dear participants, any questions? You can post it in the chat box also.
No, I may go for fast actually. Within 1 hour, it's not possible to explain to all the tools. So that is the reason I'm using PowerPoint. But I think this need at least 3 hours for going for insight to all the 8 tools. Some negative, some positive also there. But when you are going to practice it, it will be really useful for you.
Sir, may I ask one question?
Yeah, please, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, suppose I write one article. I'm a physics teacher and I write an article on optics or any quantum mechanics topic. And after writing, I use this paper file for grammar rectification. So, and it gives me some suggestions and I use it. Then is it okay? Otherwise, it will also, for this semantic scholar will say that I used any tool to rectify my grammar. Or is it okay? I can use it to just for the language.
Yes, sir, sir. So good, sir, actually. Yes, sir. Just for language, you can use it, sir. But most of the time, people, what they're doing, they copy some information from the article, then using the chart GPT, the paragraphs in this paragraph, or they were using the quill part. Then humanizer AI also there. I think you know that. In the quill part, humanizer AI also there. They were using humanizer AI. That is a problem. But Grammarly, you can use it. Paperpal, you can. That's why I suggested here. Paperpal is an excellent tools. I also using the tools for my proposal writing, my book writing. That's really helpful for you, grammar checking and way of. They will suggest some of the lines. Even grammar also the tools suggested us that will helpful for us. But you do not copy paste for the 2 lines or 3 lines. That's my humble request here.
And one little query. Someone told me, I'm not sure. Is there any tool? Means that person said after getting my material from this Chat GPT or Gemini and putting our own words, then we can ask to some tool that make it as human being. Means although we are using AI matter, but asking them to make it just like a human.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I will tell you, but that's a problem. Means again that will shows the plagiarism nowadays. Actually,
okay.
Yeah, you can go to the quill part. Here, left hand side, you can see. But 1 year back, it's okay, sir. Now I also practice it because of I'm the plagiarism coordinator at my university. So that whenever any things it will come, new things it will come, I practice it. But sincerely, this you can use the paraphrasing. Is it will be affect, it will direct it. But a human, sir, you can use it like that. I suggested many people, but nowadays humanizing AI text also instantly it will be directed. So I'm asking I frequently touch with the tunt in quill part actually. Yeah, they used to come to my university where whenever I organize any program, they are also come to my university. We discuss it actually. They are always telling us whenever they updated the quill part or ChatGPT, they are also again updated for their own software. So always there are compete actually each other. If you are updated here, I will also update it there. So that is a problem. I hope you understand. If you simply can copy paste actually, then if you paraphrasing, then it will be change the humanizing actually. But if you are using the humanizing for reading the article, we can't understand. But it's not possible to know that this AI tools, this is not AI. But if you put the software, that will be easily identify this paragraph is a paraphrasing plagiarism. For example, if you're using the Chat GPT, you are writing the letter. For seeing itself, I understand you are using the Chat GPT. but it's fine actually, because of you are writing the letter, or writing small paragraph, that's not a problem actually. But when you are writing the article for particularly if you go for nature, highly impact factor article, the always huge competition. You know that totally 8 lakhs journals available, but only 46 journals are indexed by Scopus and Web of Science, and even Q1, Q2 journals very less. Even it will says that only Q1, Q2 more than 5 impact journals, only 5,000 journals are. So all the scientists want to publish this 5,000 journals only. Even physics also same like that. Huge competitions there. A lot of Nobel level research is there. They want to publish article, so that we need to compete with them. So that actually you write to, but you can ask the help actually. Grammarly help is always available using Paperpal, Grammarly. Lot of tools are also available. That also I explained here. But don't use the ChatGPT or Pixday or Quillbot or the simply paraphrasing. That's the, it will be problem for you in future.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, we
Thank
can
you.
use for all the languages, sir. All the Indian languages we can use, sir.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. But the problem is that's not coming right actually. English only it will come for correct
Yes, sir.
sentence and all. But
Yes, sir. I
Tamil,
have already observed. Even it gives
yeah,
grammatically wrong sentences when we use in the other
exactly, ma'am.
languages.
Exactly, ma'am. Correctly you pointed out actually. Yes, true. Even Hindi also is there, it's available. It's coming, but a lot of grammar error. For seeing itself, you can understand. Only English only is good actually. All the people are working English only, not for Tamil, not for Hindi, not for
Yes.
other regional languages.
Yeah, I just looked into Sanskrit and English, both, Hindi, both are giving very grammatically wrong sentences and wrong
Yes, ma'am.
prosody, everything.
Exactly, ma'am. You're right, ma'am. You're right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
One more question in the chat box. Which tools are very useful for statistical analysis in a biological diversity?
Oh, biological diversity. Madam, I'm not preparing that part actually. But even in the PowerPoint, I explained not W and all. That's really helpful for you. But I'm not practicing in biology part, physics part. It's somewhat social science also. I worked around it. Sometimes SOFA is really helpful for you. Social science, statistics and all. But life science and physical science, chemical science, I'm not aware. I'm not that much of knowledge in that one. But this tool is available. That's only I will explain you. Yeah, for social science is there. SOFA, SOFO, SOFA is there. Yes, that's tool really helpful for you. Beginning, you mentioned a tool for AI detection. Good, kindly. Yes, ma'am. That's a Turnitin, Authenticate. These all are commercial tools. Free tools also available, ma'am. But don't use the free tools. When you are uploading your article to the free tools, that will goes to the online archive. Again, second time if I checked it, that will come for the 100% plagiarism. So that don't use it. But always writing your own, that's the best method.
Okay, any other questions? Dear participants, any other questions?
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, it's a very nice talk from your side. I have just one question. Being a pharmaceutical background, there are many times if I have to download any research paper, now they have also blocked the Sci-Hub also.
Yeah.
And when I'm downloading something, it is only giving the first abstract part only. So, is there any AI website or anything from which I can download some research paper which will be important for my research work?
Yeah, that is the first tool itself I explained. Semantic paper. Just wait, sir. Once again, I will explain you. That semantic scholar. This semantic scholar, just you can see here how many articles are available in all the field of science. A free AI-powered research tool for scientific literature. Better you can use. You can go to create free account. It's very simple. You can go to your email ID Then after giving a particular formatted huge amount of article available, there is a full text PDF forms available. You have to click the PDF. Then huge amount of article, free articles available, sir. No problem. I think semantic scholar itself is enough for you. Like the Google Scholar, scholar.com, same like that. Semantic scholar already told you, SciHub also is closed. So instead of Cyber Scholar, semantic scholars are highly useful for you. And the Elisheet and the connected papers, even census also you can download number of article. Even this is for Kinesis also you can find the research relevant to article. Then research rabbit. This all the tools for the downloading the article, the undermined, this lit maps. These are the tools are really helpful for you downloading the articles, sir. Like but it's not a SciHub. SciHub is a piracy version. But actually, this is semantic web is not a piracy version. Actually, this is for a original version. But it will be helpful for you is open the full text article, and it will helpful for you for checking the article in the one place. But if only I say this AI tools, once you can create account to this semantic web, they always give to for your formatical science. Just when you are again you download the formatical analysis, you can check it. You can download means to understand what you are doing the research. So always it will give the first in the first page itself. Like the YouTube, when you are checking the YouTube, always it will come what you already seen, that again it will come first page itself. Same like that semantic web also really highly useful for semantic web. That's the reason I first slide itself I put in the semantic web. That's really highly useful for you.
So I need one clarification.
Thank you very much.
Please.
Sir, is recent articles may be available?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a
Recent
minute.
article also available. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Recent article also available. Yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you.
That's actually there is available is a time period. If you need the time, it's available 1920 itself. All the articles available up to 1925. You can restrict the time. That's also available.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening and inspiring presentation on various AI tools. You clearly explained where AI can be used and where it should not be used. And you also provide valuable insights into the Drillbit plagiarism software. Your words have greatly enriched our understanding.
Yeah, I also want to conclude. Really, thank you very much for excellent opportunity. Many people really listened. Actually, that is the reason. Many questions also in chat box and you directly also ask the questions. I really thanks to Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Madam, particularly Magasari Madam and Rama Ma'am, and all the organization coordinators for inviting me as a resource person. Again, we'll meet directly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So thank you very much, sir, for taking your time out and to be with us to